something on our calendar? This is the last day that we have for November because it's time to start a week off to be home with our family for Thanksgiving time. So we have one more calendar square to open to see what our pattern's going to be. But first, let's think about what the number's going to be. Let's count in ordinal numbers. Are you ready? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Say 20th. 20th. That's TH on the end, 20th. So I know it's going to be a 2 and a 0. You can't have a 1 anymore because numbers in the teens, they start with a 1. We're done with all the teen numbers. Well, let's see. Let's add our tally mark for number 20. So far we had 5, 10, 15. Then we had to switch. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. But that's the 5th one for this tally table. Let me remember how to do tallies. Get your hands up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, here's our 5th one. Now we can count by 5s up to 20. Everybody say 5, 10. 5, 10. 5, 10, 15. 5, 10, 15. Ready? 5, 20. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20. You say 5, 10, 15, 20. Now we can skip down by 5s all the way up to 20. So, all right, we know it's going to be a 20, a 2, and a 0. Let's figure out this pattern. We had a couple different patterns inside. I'm going to start with our AB pattern, Roman, with the colors. I'm just going to start on the 11th because that's my favorite number. Here we go. Purple, orange, purple, orange, purple, orange, purple, orange, purple, orange. It's going to be orange. I forgot, how do we spell orange? Let's do that song real quick. Ready? O-R-A-N-G-E. 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 Orange is what that spells. So we know it's going to be orange. But our orange was differing a lot, wasn't it? We had a rectangle, and a square. So that is an AAB pattern. Let's try to figure that out. Here we go. Rectangle, rectangle, square. Rectangle, rectangle, square. Rectangle, rectangle, square. Oh, we know it's going to be an orange rectangle. You know what I remember about rectangles? They have 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Can you say that? 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Wait a minute. Can the long one go this way? Can it be 2 long sides this way? Well, let's see. Hey, look at the 2 long sides. We're standing up. Everybody say vertical. Let me see your arms going vertical. Yeah, that was still a rectangle. But look, now it's laying down. Everybody say horizontal. Yeah. And you know what? Then we had a square. Were all 4 sides the same on the square? So let's see. We're going to use those vocabulary words and to figure out which one this will be. Ready? Vertical, horizontal, square. Vertical, horizontal, square. Vertical, horizontal, square. No, the first one was vertical. Turn to your partner and say vertical. Vertical. Vertical means up and down. All right, so here are all our clues. We know it will be orange. We know we'll have the number 20. And it will be a vertical rectangle. Were we right?
Yes.
Suhaib, were we right?
Yes.
You're right. Here's what you can tell your partner about today's date. Today is Friday, November 20th. You say it.
Today is Friday, November 20th.
Well, then we need another straw. We need another straw. We need another straw in our one spot. Yesterday we had 5 straws in our ones pocket. Everybody show me 5. Give your partner a quick high five. Make sure they're still there. All right. So keep your 5 up and add 1 more.
6.
Everybody say 5 and 1 makes 6. You know what? I can turn it around for 6. But you know what I noticed? We also have 6 groups of 10. Huh. Well, let me think. Do I just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 when I'm counting tens? Help me skip count by tens. Are you ready? Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Hey, but this says 6, and this says 6. I wonder which one has more and which one has fewer. Don't say it. Everybody think for a minute. I want you to be thinking about this question. Ruben, I wonder if tens has more or ones has more. Think about your answer real quick. So more means it's a bigger number. Is it going to be the tens or the ones? Whisper your answer in your own hand. Now whisper to your partner. Did your partner whisper the tens? If your partner said the tens, they are right. Everybody say, the tens has more. So I'd say, the ones has fewer. All right, Evelyn, thanks for telling your partner. Even though they both say 6, this really means 60. This means 6 by themselves. And then we're done with 3. So when I put it together, that's how I get 66. All right, 6 tens and 6 ones. Let's check out our counting tape, Dylan, to see what color we will need on a day that ends with a 6. Think about it first. Think about it first. Tell your partner in a complete sentence what color it is. I hope I heard complete sentences like, we need a purple square. That's a complete sentence. And red table, take a look. When I put my 6s on there, I'm going to need 2 of them today. So I'm going to have to go down and around. Help me out. Down and around. All right, let's add 66. First of all, I'm going to put it above my head. Now let's go across the top of the calendar wall. We're going to say across, 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 across. Now say down. Across, 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 up, and across. 66. You know what? It's about in the center of this doorway. All right. Now let's see. If we're on day number 66 of kindergarten, don't say it. I want you to be thinking. I can't hear it when you think. What kind of a kindergarten kid? No, thinking. You're thinking of a complete sentence with some details inside. Ruben, I want you to be thinking about it so you know which details you can add. Yeah, turn and tell your partner you're Holy moly. All right, let's see if you were right. I see it was a girl. Would I say she is a girl or he is a girl? Remember, we have,
he is a girl.
when I hear she, I need 2 letters for 1 quiet sound. She is a girl. And you know what? I heard some complete sentences with details. I heard someone say, we need a girl with 2 black pigtails. I also heard someone say, we need a girl with yellow pants and a pink shirt. So when you're practicing your complete sentences for right here, those are the kind that you can write during our writer's workshop time. Everybody say, if I can think about it,
I can think about it.
I can talk about it. If I can talk about it, I can write about it. And I know you guys can talk about it, so that I want to see those in your writing later too. Now when I put him in order or when I put her in order? Her. Hey, listen. That's the E-R-er girl that we were learning. When I put her in order, I say 66. You say 66. Which means today is the 66th day. The 66th day. The 66th day.
Today is the 66th day
of kindergarten. Oh, I'm so glad your chairs followed me over here. I can tell you're still learning math. All right, we're on day 66 of kindergarten. Let's practice counting by tens again. I know that all the tens are on this edge, and Ruben, I know that they all end in a 0 because they are groups of 10 with nothing more. So turn and learn. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. One more time, and I want to hear, let's see, I want to hear,
Hey, 60. Give that 60.
and how about spooky voices? Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Let's switch. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. All right, I'm going to cover up some mystery numbers. They're going to be in the teens. Count me out again. Numbers in the teens, they start with a 1. Okay, let's see here. Okay, now don't say it yet. I want you to be thinking. And Ruben, I want you to use your clues. Think about this one first. We talked about it in math already today. I already know it will have a 2 in the 1's place.
2.
Oh, just think about it. I know if it's in this row, it's going to start with a 1. One group of 10 and 2 more. Tell me what number I'm covering. 12. Everybody say 12 is a 1 and a 2. Right, not a 2 and a 1. The 1 has to come first because we had one group of 10 and 2 more. Because look, here's our one group of 10, and then I counted 2 more times. 11, 12. Here's my second mystery number, and I know. Boy, look at all the 8's in the 1 place. I know it's going to start with a 1, so it's going to be a teen, and it has an 8. Whisper it to yourself again real quick. 18. Now, lean and tell your partner. 18. Now, let's see if you're right. You see an 18? Let's draw an 18. Everybody make a 1. Big line drop. Now, with your 8, here we go. Little magic C. Turn back around. Close it up. So we have number 1 and 8. What number was that again? 18. All right. So, what's the